today we'll talk about how can you improve grammar on your Cambly app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on the ring down here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down here, then you click here on improve grammar here, just click on it. You come to next step here, then here add your native language here, and here can you select proficiency here, and you click here on down, then it's going to show for you on your Cambly app. So that's all you have to do, that's all, you just follow this ways here, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.